Are you looking for the best adjustable laptop stand? In this video, we will look at some of the best adjustable laptop stand on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lamgool Folding Laptop Stand. Thanks to its all-aluminum alloy build, our laptop stand ensures superior heat dissipation. The stand also features dual fans that efficiently cool down your laptop, preventing overheating. Its portable folding design makes it easy to carry it with you wherever you go, ensuring optimal air circulation and a cooler laptop. Using magnetic levitation technology, the silent motor on our laptop stand with fan creates a powerful airflow that effortlessly cools your laptop without disrupting your peace. Boasting a fan that rotates 360 degrees, our laptop stand provides even stronger wind and quicker heat dissipation, effectively reducing your laptop's temperature and prolonging its longevity. One-piece silicone pad covers the entire laptop stand, providing stable and non-slip support. The spring support feet automatically rebound and provide comprehensive protection against falling off. This laptop stand with fan is engineered to suit your needs on different occasions. It's universal for machine/tablet/book/laptop and compatible with a diverse range of devices. With adjustable height and angle, it ensures ergonomic comfort. Number 2. SeenDa Laptop Cooling Stand. Non-slip silicone pads features multiple silicone pads to prevent slipping and protect your device from scratches. Helix Cooling Pad Cooling with Fan Twin Turbo Fan design equipped with a twin turbo fan. This cooling pad ensures efficient heat dissipation for your gaming laptop. 8 levels of height adjustment. With 8 levels of height adjustment, the stand caters to various usage scenarios, from a desktop to a lap. Aluminum alloy construction, crafted from durable aluminum alloy. This cooling pad offers long-lasting performance and stability. Detachable fans for portability. The detachable fans reduce occupied area, making this cooling pad easy to carry for on-the-go use. Number 3. Kanlennys Room D21 Laptop Stand. Rotate Laptop Stand Ice Ceramic Panel. Features an ice ceramic panel for rapid cooling, ensuring your laptop stays at optimal performance. Dual heat dissipation offers dual heat dissipation with a switchable ice ceramic panel for focused, continuous cooling. 3-core fan, equipped with a 3-core fan that targets the CPU directly, delivering powerful and efficient cooling. Magnetic levitation air. Silent motor operates with magnetic levitation air, ensuring a noise level as low as 18 dB. Aluminum alloy construction, constructed with military-grade aluminum alloy for stability and a 5 kilograms load-bearing capacity. Number 4. Jaysuing Laptop Cooling Stand. Give your laptop the secure platform it deserves with our laptop cooling pad. Engineered with cutting-edge plastics and aluminum alloy, the triangular structure of this pad stands firm against compression and drops, while ensuring whisper-quiet cooling for non-intrusive use, thanks to its silent operation system. 2. The dynamic cooling power. Experience the ultimate chill for your high-performing laptop with the dynamic prowess of our laptop support. Outfitted with quadruple fans, it effortlessly whisks away excess heat, keeping your device luxuriously cool, even during the most exhilarating gaming battles or intense design sessions, sans the noise disruption. Number 5. ZJMZYM LG2090-7 Laptop Stand. Package includes 1 piece of laptop cooler stand. The product will be upgraded constantly. The appearance and color may be changed. Please don't mind. And take a consideration before place the order if you have request for color or appearance. Name: Carbon Steel Notebook Stand. Color: Matte Temperament Silver/Deep Space Gray. Height adjustment 50 mm to 90 mm. Material: Carbon Steel Plus Stainless Steel Plus Environmentally Friendly Silicone. Specifications: Cooling model. Features: Adjustable height, convenient folding adjustable file. Heat dissipation: Blow type heat dissipation.